A vegetable tonic? This is one of those recipes that surprises you in the best way. Today we're celebrating National Polyphenol Day with a hibiscus spiced vegetable broth tonic. Warm, savory, lightly spiced, and incredibly soothing. These hibiscus petals add a bright, tangy note and deliver powerful polyphenols that help support your gut and keep inflammation in check. So here's how to make it. You'll need 4 cups high-quality vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons dried hibiscus petals, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 whole cloves, 8 whole black peppercorns, a strip of lime peel, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of my polyphenol-rich olive oil, a pinch of iodized sea salt, and some fresh cracked black pepper. Okay, let's get started. First, add your vegetable broth to a saucepan. Next, you'll want to toss in the cinnamon sticks. Follow that up with some cloves. Sprinkle in the peppercorns. Then bring everything to a gentle simmer. Just make sure it doesn't come to a boil. Now, layer in the flavor. Add in the dried hibiscus. Next, toss in the lime peel. Then you'll want to pour in the apple cider vinegar. And lower the heat and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes, giving the flavors some time to infuse. Next, drain your tonic through a fine mesh sieve into a glass measuring cup. Add in a drizzle of my polyphenol-rich olive oil, then add a pinch of sea salt. Next, pour the liquid into your favorite mug. Top off with some fresh cracked pepper, a slice of lime, and a cinnamon stick. And voila! Your new go-to for a cozy night in. With polyphenol-rich hibiscus and warming spices, every sip is as comforting as it is supportive, helping nourish a more balanced, resilient gut. I'm Dr. Stephen Gundry, bringing you gut-friendly recipes that don't hold back on flavor. Thanks for watching.